Hello everyone and welcome back to this new video. We're going to show you how to repot a plant, and I'm showing you these are some good roots that are ready to be replanted. They're overgrown the cup, so they're ready. Now these are corn and some are dying. Now these are sunflowers, and once I take them out the cup they're gonna break apart because they're not really ready. In my pot it had too many holes, so I added cardboard so the water doesn't, you know, fall out. So just fill it up with dirt and you'll be good to go. There was a reason behind why I put the plastic, but I don't remember. So the roots are ready, they're like closing in on the cup and they want to expand. Here I'm cutting the dead plants, not the dead plants, the dead leaves that I don't want to be part of. So just cut them all off and trim them away. So we start off by grabbing small scissors and start cutting the cup. Try to be careful not cut any of the roots because it will damage the plant. Just do it how I did it. I did one way then the other one to make like a long rectangle to then cut it out. From there we just make your hole in the dirt and get ready to place it real quick without trying to throw a lot of dirt. So here in the cup it was a little struggle, but I managed to take it out all nice and firm. Since it was a corn plant, I tried to separate it. Be careful when you cut it because you can damage the roots, but just take your time and look how it'll come out. In this, with these corns, it came out all intact. And look at it. All the roots are connected, so try not to, if you want to separate it, massage the roots and break it apart, but don't break any roots. Since I'm gonna keep it intact, we're just gonna place it in the dirt. Once it's intact in the pot, you just fill it up with dirt and water it again, so it'll be perfect. And that's how you do it. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe and comment for more.